it's not about just copying and entering the position, but you really need to understand the whole process, because then when the market crashes, you understand the process and you know exactly what you are holding, and then you can perform much better.
Hi, Jiri, lovely to meet you.
Lovely to meet you as well.
Please could you tell me a little bit about yourself, your name, your username, and how long you've been a pro investor for?
My name is Jiri Gregor. I am based Czech Republic, Prague. I am on eToro under the profile of Krochtik, and I have been on eToro for 6 years.
Please could you show me about investment titans?
Yes, I will be glad to do it. So you can see that there are 5 investment titans: Benjamin Graham, Warren Buffett, Peter Lynch, George Soros, and Katie Woods. And each of these agents, AI agents that are really mimicking those wonderful investors, is giving you a possibility to really have a closer look on the stocks. So in here they are analyzing Tesla, Microsoft and Apple, and they are saying which stock they will pick today and why.
What's the biggest mistake people make when they're trying to copy legendary investors?
I think the copying is a start of the journey, but then you need to understand the context. And this is the thing, because it's not about just copying and entering the position, but you really need to understand the whole process, because then when the market crashes, you understand the process and you know exactly what you are holding, and then you can perform much better.
When you started studying legendary investors seriously, what surprised you the most?
Honestly, how much different each of the investor is, and their philosophy as well, but the point that is the same for all of them, that they are consistent in their strategy. So although they seem to be different, they are in this one thing really the same, and that they are consistent.
Why is having conversations with legendary investors better than a regular AI agent?
I think a lot of people are now bored of general AI agents that are mean of the internet and saying nothing too specific. So in my app, you can have AI agents that are specifically tailor-made to each of the investors, and they are really push you, they are really hard on you, and they really improve your investing.
Please could you give me one example of a legendary investor's strategy that looks obvious in hindsight, but almost nobody follows consistently?
Yes, I think it's a long-term thinking. I think the process is really to set up for years, not for months or 1 year. So it really is to be long-term, think long-term, hold the positions, and understand why you are doing this.
Will AI make investors better at copying successful people, or better at understanding why they were successful?
Well, I think both of these, honestly, because on one hand, you really understand why the investors were doing their decisions. But on the other hand, it really helps you, because then you are asking yourself, okay, if I buy Microsoft, is it really true that the earnings quality is so superior? Or maybe the Katie Woods is correct and maybe I would rather invest in Tesla. It really makes you think about it.
Wow. And could you do one last favour? Could you finish this sentence, please? Knowing better means?
I think knowing better means be consistent.
Yeah? Amazing. Thank you so much, and thank you for showing me your app. It looks amazing.
Yes, you like it? I am so grateful. Thank you.